Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you download Snapchat for your PC. The process will be pretty straightforward. The first thing to do is open your PC browser and write in the search bar icon like I am writing Snapchat and tap on the first option and again tap on the first link. From here, you don't have to tap on this download icon at the top right. Here, you have to tap on this option, log in to chat, and it will redirect to the login page of Snapchat. And here, write your email address after registering your email address. Tap on the option Next, and write your password here. After writing the password, tap on the option Next. I logged in to my Snapchat account. From here, you will see the option on the top left. Click to install Snapchat. Tap on this one, and here, tap on this option Install. When you tap on the option, Install. Then, the Snapchat application will be installed on your PC. You can see from here the Snapchat application is installed on my PC. But if this method does not work on your PC, I have another suggestion. Open a new tab and write in the search bar like I am writing, Snapchat download for PC, tap on this. You will see the Snapchat option for Windows, and the website name is up to down. Tap on this. Here, tap on this option to get the latest version, and again, tap on the option download. So, as you see, Snapchat has been downloading. The downloading has been completed. And let me show you by tapping on this arrow icon. So you can see that Snapchat is downloaded. Install Snapchat from here. So, using this method, you can easily download the Snapchat app for your PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.